Right, welcome back to Tech and Prep. This video is about AI and its layoffs. This is another video in my April push to get more people to my social media. If you think this is interesting and you're here for either preparedness or for technology or for breaking news, then like and subscribe pretty please. It's free, doesn't hurt, and you can always unsubscribe later if you don't like my stuff. Anyhow, try and keep this under 3 minutes as well. I know our attention spans are short. So Salesforce CEO is basically saying that people don't really understand what's going on with AI layoffs. And basically what he says is there's three things that are impacting this. Costs that got out of hand, which is when they did a bunch of hiring during COVID and people started working from home. Data center financial commitments, which are data centers are very expensive to start, very expensive to run. I spent my whole career, almost 30 years in IT in data centers. I can speak from experience. They are big, they are loud, they are expensive, and they take a lot of resources. And then what they call AI rebalancing, which is essentially they bring AI in. AI can do this particular tier one level job like answer the phones or do these checks. And those type of tier one entry level jobs then go away. Oracle is doing deep cuts as well. This is from 3 days ago. So they're talking about 10,000 people getting fired. I knew a couple of friends that worked at Oracle, and they were told basically to stay home that day, and they were fired pretty cowardly, I'm going to have to admit. Let's see. This one right here, I don't want to keep stuff short. But in 2025, 2026, Accenture, which is an IT consulting company, laid off 11,000. Amazon laid off 30,000. I have friends that were in part of that. ASML, whoever that is. Autodesk, about 1,000. That's not too many. Let's see. BlackRock. Do we really care about BlackRock? 300. What else? Cisco, 221. Not a big deal. Citigroup, financial services, about 20,000. CrowdStrike. Well, we all know about CrowdStrike, don't we? Dell, 12,500. Yeah. Dropbox, 500. Dow, 4,500. Dow Chemicals. Let's see, what else? Goldman Sachs, not disclosed. Why not? Google Cloud, 100, not a big deal. Grammarly, HP. I didn't realize HP was still around. IBM, a couple thousand. Jesus, keeps going. Intel, 24,000. Intuit, we've heard of them, right? 1,800. Let's see, well, it's Lufthansa, the airline, 4,000. Meta, and probably more than that. Microsoft, definitely more than that. Nike, okay, 1,600. Anyhow, again, I want to keep this short. You can go see where these people are getting laid off. It is it's going to get worse before it gets better. All right, we'll talk to you next video.